Hi guys, it's Ali. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm unboxing the Charlotte's Magic Hydrate and Glow mystery box. So if you want to see the 6 goodies that I got, then go ahead and keep on watching. This box only launched a couple of days ago, so hopefully it isn't sold out for anyone who does want to pick it up. I'll leave a link in the description box down below. I also have a video of the makeup product box. They had 2 mystery boxes. I went ahead and picked up both because I don't actually have that many Charlotte Tilbury products. I have a lot of complexion products, but not so much any skincare or basically any other makeup products from Charlotte Tilbury. So I figured this would be a good opportunity to see what the brand is saying in general. I know that the complexion products do generally hit. So yeah, today we're going to be looking at the skincare one. I am really excited because I can't imagine myself returning or giving away this box. So yeah, no, I'm excited. The value of everything in this box comes up to 227, but I did pick up the box for 113, so it's basically half price. And Charlotte Tilbury Skin, if you know, has a lot of products that are just insanely priced, and I could never really pay more than 20-30 pounds for a cream. And yeah, they kind of go into the 90s. I think I've seen some items 90s, almost 100, and I just couldn't do it. So when this box came out, I jumped at the chance to get in there. So let's go ahead and take a look at what we've got. This is what the packaging for the box looks like. It's just one of those super hard magnetic style boxes, and I really like the Charlotte Tilbury colors. It's like nice to put on my dresser, and then it just has tissue paper and a nice golden sticker on there. Just to add, I don't know the prices of each of the individual things, so I won't be saying them as we go, but I'll try and pop them on the screen somewhere when I edit. But the first thing I've got is this dry sheet mask, and this is what it looks like. I'm not actually a huge fan of sheet masks just because they come in such small quantities. I would like a pack of sheet masks, maybe, that kind of thing, but just one for me doesn't do enough. So yeah, that's the first thing. I'm kind of disappointed with this product because I don't know, I just wouldn't have wanted a sheet mask. I was definitely more into the creams and lotions and potions that Charlotte Tilbury does, but I guess first product is a sheet mask. I'm just randomly putting my hand in the box and picking something up. So this is the Wonder Glow Instant Focus Beauty Glow Primer. I believe I actually already have this in a travel size, which I believe is this again. So this is 15 milliliters of product, but I believe this probably comes in a 30 milliliter. It would have been nice to have all full-size products for paying £113 for a box, but this is what it looks like. Yeah, I've definitely got this. I got it in a kit of travel sizes. It's a decent primer, nothing to sing about. Not the most amazing primer in the world, but it's decent. And I suppose it's good for someone who wants to try out the product instead of committing to a full size. The next product we have is a collagen lip bath in the shade Walk of No Shame. So this is what the packaging looks like, and then I'm just going to take it out of the box. I think I got one of these for free with my order anyway. So this is Walk of No Shame, and yeah, this is the other lip collagen that I got with my order. I think it was a minimum spend thing, and then you got one of these for free. And I'm just gonna have a look. Yeah, this is the shade Pillow Talk, and this is Walk of No Shame. I'm not going to open these up because I already know they've got a minty, mentholated type of scent to them, and I can't use any products that have that because I get a bad reaction. So these are probably going to be put in a giveaway. I'll see what don't know what the giveaway is going to be yet, but at some point I'll do one. But so far, this mystery box it's not hitting. I don't really like the products in here so far. I can't use the lip product, and the Wonder Glow I've already got in that same exact size, and the sheet mask, well, I haven't used the sheet mask, but I don't have high hopes for it, but we'll see how we get on. I'm just going to put my hand in the box again. And what do we have here? This is another primer. So this is the Brightening Youth Glow Primer. And I think this is full size. This is 40 milliliters. Okay, yeah, this looks like a full size product. And it actually looks pretty decent. Let me see if I can get some of that on the back of my hand. Oh, and it smells quite nice as well. Okay, it says brightening, color correcting, glow primer. Okay. It says you can apply this on its own. I'm actually going to just put some of this on my face now because why not? I've got sunscreen on and it might have a reaction, but we'll see. So that's what the primer looks like on. I actually really like the way it feels. And it smells really luxurious, like high-end skincare. Like spa-like. That's what it smells like. I'm just going to put some on my neck. Rub my under eye area. And it does say this can be worn on its own. So I guess that's just how I'm wearing it today. So this is with the primer on. I feel like it leaves a little bit of a cast on my face. I wonder if it's got any SPF in it. I don't think it does. I don't see SPF written anywhere on here, but it leaves a little bit of a cast, I think, but I do quite like it. The next thing I've got is the Super Radiance Resurfacing Facial. I don't actually remember seeing this product, but it does sound quite exciting. This is the type of thing that I'd be too scared to buy because it was expensive. This says for skin that looks reborn. I'm definitely excited to get into this product. And it does have a little mini of Charlotte's Magical serum in here. This is the Crystal Elixir serum. And this was another product that was just really expensive. Does this count as one of the 6? Or is this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? No, this is actually just like an additional little product, unless they're meant to be used together. I think they are, but this is the elixir. Let's go ahead and open it actually. This is adorable. Look at it. This is a little serum. And then here is the resurfacing facial. Yeah, I'm definitely going to give this one a go. I'm excited about that. My skin definitely needs some TLC at the moment. And the very last product we've got in here is the Magic Cream Light. So this is a miracle moisturizer. It has SPF 20 and it is 50 mils. This is what it looks like. Oh, this feels really luxurious actually. And then I'm just gonna pump. It has a similar scent to the primer, but yeah, it's really lightweight, and it does have, like, you can kind of see that it's got SPF in it, which is what I thought about the primer, but this one definitely has it in there. Oh, that's really, really soft. Yeah, that's really soft. That leaves your skin super, super smooth. So this feels absolutely luxurious. I'm not sure how much it all is. I wish I knew the prices off the top of my head. Then I could work out if I've got value for my money, but I feel like I have. So that was everything in the Hydrate and Glow box. I am slightly disappointed, but I think I'm going to give everything a shot, try it all out and see how I get on. I feel like the products that I do like, the 3, they're probably going to amount to £113 anyway, so I'm not going to feel like I've wasted my money because they do really feel like really nice. I wish there was a bit more SPF in that last product just to boost it, because I do typically wear 30 plus with my SPF. So yeah, but let me know what you guys think of this mystery box. Are you thinking of grabbing it? Have you already bought it? Are you disappointed in the contents of the box? Let me know what you think, and I hope to see you guys in my makeup mystery box. That will be linked in the description box down below. If you did enjoy this video, don't forget to leave a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you aren't subscribed already. Thank you all so much for tuning into my channel, and I'll see you in my next video.